Marathon has intensified with the fun race being held today. The race saw students from the Lukenya British Curriculum School taking part in different categories. This year's edition is scheduled for March 24th in Titande, Makueni County.
Today I took part in the 5-kilometer serious race and I came in position 3 for the second edition for 2024 of the Lukenya University Marathon. Last year I participated, but I didn't really get to the number I wanted. So this year I really pushed myself.
It's been exciting. It's been a day where students have really challenged themselves, pushed themselves up on the hill. Because let me tell you something, when you get up there, you will feel like backing down. But they've really persevered because the end game is to finish the race, not for your own purpose, but for the purposes of ensuring that you've helped to fundraise for that one tree.
I've done my 5 kilometers today and I'm feeling great. And, this is just a testament of what running can do for you. Running is good, not just for our health, but also brings families together.
And this is a very important event. It leads into the wider Lukenya University Marathon, which happens every year. And the plan is to plant 10 million trees. Not just 10 million trees, but 10 million indigenous trees, and not just to plant them, but to actually maintain them over the years.
The preparation so far today, the Athletics Kenya officials are on the ground scoping the route map for the professional runners. We've already set up the camps. They are ready, the accommodation camps, the village. This year looks like we'll have almost up to 300 professional runners. That's amazing. This is the event for talent spotting as well. We are passionate about this and making sure you're seen. So Karibu, please register.
Sharon Chimchuba has emerged as a dominant force in Kenyan volleyball from a modest beginning.